Robot pool cleaners have moved beyond novelty to become essential for pool maintenance, offering hands-off cleaning, better energy efficiency, and smarter navigation than traditional hose clean systems. The market features corded and cordless models with advanced navigation, multi-surface brushes, and app integration. This comparison focuses on 5 models representing a range of capabilities and price points. Product number 1. Pool vacuum for in-ground pools. Upgrade presents a cordless 4-in-1 pool cleaner with a high-performance 180-watt brushless motor delivering strong suction, claimed 4,800 GPH, and a 180-minute runtime. It supports floor, wall, waterline, and all cover cleaning modes with a gypsum-based navigation system, N-path and S-path patterns, and 4WD traction. The machine targets in-ground pools up to 2,100 square feet and water depths up to 9.8 feet, and it claims robust uptime with a 3-hour recharge. Its cordless design eliminates hoses, which reduces tangling and trip hazards, and it includes 4WD traction and PVC brushes designed for tile, vinyl, pebble, glass, and mosaic surfaces. Performance and use. In practice, the 180-minute runtime is compelling for mid to large pools, and the 4-in-1 approach offers flexibility across typical residential shapes. The 4WD traction and high-efficiency battery suggest consistent cleaning coverage, particularly around tree-lined or windy yards where debris can accumulate. However, the lack of disclosed precise control data beyond the listed navigation pattern means real-world route optimization may vary with pool geometry. The build appears solid for a cordless unit, though weight 15 pounds and bulk 16.7 by 15.1 by 9.8 inches may influence portability and storage. Product number 2. iGarden Pool Cleaner K36. iGarden's K36 is a high-powered cordless cleaner with a turbine-grade impeller and 3 brushless motors delivering up to 5,810 GPH suction plus a turbo 200% mode for dense debris. It offers up to 220 minutes of floor cleaning or 150 minutes for full pool coverage, floor plus walls plus waterline, and claims real-time route optimization, AI navigation, OTA upgrades, and 3-year full machine replacement protection. Notably, it uses a full-screen touchscreen and app control via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, with a 4-liter debris basket and auto parking when the battery is low. Performance and use. The K36 is designed for large, mixed surfaces, including in-ground and above-ground pools up to 3,814 square feet. Its AI-driven path planning and OTA updates promise ongoing improvements, which is appealing for tech-forward buyers. The 3-year replacement warranty mitigates long-term risk. On the downside, its weight, 21.6 pounds, and the need for app pairing may introduce initial setup friction for simpler users. Battery voltage and 3.5-hour charging align with extended cleaning sessions, while the 4-liter debris basket should reduce maintenance frequency for typical debris loads. Product number 3. beatbot aquasense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. beatbot's aquasense 2 stands out with a strong feature set: auto surface parking, smart drain water release for easy retrieval, double pass waterline scrubbing, and a 3-year full machine replacement protection. It uses a 10,000 mAh battery and a 4-core CPU with 16 sensors, including 2 ultrasonic, to optimize its cleaning path, be it CleverNav navigation, N-path for walls and waterline, S-path for floors. The unit aims for up to 4 hours of floor cleaning or 3.5 hours for walls and waterline, and it ships with a wireless charging dock for easy storage. Performance and use. The aquasense 2 emphasizes depth of cleaning at waterlines and edge areas, aided by 4 guide wheels for edge precision. The automotive-grade coating and UE resistance hint at durability in outdoor environments. The 4-hour floor cleaning window makes it suitable for larger pools, though wall and waterline scrubs reduce available runtime. The 3-year full replacement policy is an industry-leading risk reducer, which is compelling for buyers prioritizing long-term support. Potential drawbacks include the heavier mass, 27 pounds, and the need to rely on the app for full feature access, which can present a learning curve for casual users. Product number 4. Wybot Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools. Wybot's OS7020D Nautil offers a budget-conscious 4-in-1 cordless solution with floor, walls, water lines, and stairs cleaning. It features triple motor propulsion capable of navigating 45-degree slopes, 2x upgraded suction for embedded debris, and dual PVC rollers with tile grip tech for mosaic and glass surfaces. It supports 120 to 150 minutes of runtime for in-ground pools up to 1,614 square feet, with a 3-hour recharge and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app control. The large 180 micrometer filter basket is top-loaded for quick maintenance, and the unit includes a 2-year warranty with lifetime technical support. Performance and use. The OS7020D positions itself as a value-focused option without sacrificing key cordless conveniences. The triple motor propulsion and 2x suction boost help maintain strong cleaning and moderate debris conditions, while app and Bluetooth connectivity enable flexible scheduling and control. The 3-hour recharge aligns with typical cleaning cycles, though the maximum pool size claim is modest compared to higher-end models. Number 5. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum. Dolphin Nautilus CC brings an established brand pedigree with reliable wall climbing performance and a top-load filter basket. It cleans walls well but does not clean the waterline, which is a notable limitation for comprehensive edge cleaning. The model is corded and designed for plug-and-play operation with a simplified setup, delivering cleaning in approximately 2 hours. It's a strong choice for consumers prioritizing brand trust, simple operation, and predictable performance in above-ground or in-ground pools up to 33 feet long. Performance in use. The Nautilus CC's wall climbing capability ensures robust scrubbing on all vertical surfaces, which is beneficial for larger, vertical-sided pools. The absence of waterline cleaning reduces full pool cleanliness for some users, necessitating a secondary method to address the waterline. Given its 230V power approach, it remains a reliable, long-standing option with broad service availability, though the lack of waterline coverage and modern app features might be a drawback for tech-oriented buyers.